Common replacement parts for the JET DC-1100VX series dust collector are the starting capacitor and filter. Start by disconnecting your dust collector from the power source. Before installing any replacement parts, it's important that you wait at least 2 hours. This will allow the capacitor to fully discharge. To replace the starting capacitor, begin by removing the 6 screws on the front of the control box. Pull out the capacitor, remove the black cap, and unscrew the 2 screws on top. Clean out any dust or debris. Install the new capacitor by reattaching the wires in the same position and replace the black cap. Neatly put all of the wires into place and reinstall the front of the control box. Replace the 6 screws on the front of the control box. To replace the canister filter, loosen the knobs holding it on. Remove the old canister. To assemble the canister filter, mount the handle onto the canister filter with 2 hex nuts, 2 flat washers, and a lock washer. Mount the canister filter on top of the collector housing and tighten the knobs on the canister filter. JET offers a simple way to order all of the replacement parts you might need for your JET DC-1100VX series dust collector. You can find replacement parts on our website at jettools.com by clicking on the parts store. If you need any service or repair, one of our 750 authorized service centers located in all 50 states can assist you. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.